Hi, here we have a slip-on duckbill check valve, rubber duckbill check valve manufactured from EPDM rubber with a 316 stainless steel clamp. It has a flat bottom with the angle at the top, a little bit hard to notice on such a small duckbill check valve, much more noticeable on larger sizes. So easy to install. This just slides over the end of the pipe and then secure on with the clamp. Very simple curved bill, very reliable over a long period of time. Available from Dewater Products in Australia. Thank you for watching.